So my friend had a strange experience with his new car. So he was giving an acquaintance a ride one day. And the acquaintance was complimenting the car of how well the car is, of how well maintained it is, how new the car is, how clean it is. And suddenly, the car just stopped dead. So when the owner of the car brought it to the mechanics were very surprised because they just inspected the car actually a week ago and everything was okay. I know many of you might not believe the evil eye. I even met some of them. Whenever I tell them about this evil eye matter or evil eye thing, they don't believe it. So instead of believing in the evil eye, they believe instead in bad coincidence or bad luck. Regardless, what I just shared came from my personal experiences, personal observations, learnings, and also some research I've done. I simply just want to share my perspective with you. Always remember, your private joys become public targets.